First, we have to open the Snaptit website, then upload your photo to remove the bike in the photo and select Auto AI. Then select Others and select Motorcycle and select Download button and your bike as in removed in this photo. After this, open the PixArt application, then select Plus button and select Edit Photo option to upload the same photo, then select the Background BG tool to remove background of the after pic, then More Effective Pics, use brushes and erase tool to remove or background clearly after. This process, select Download button to download the background removed bike pic. Then open VPN app to connect UK VPN to use the capt application. Then open capt application and select New Project option and selected Background pic and select Add. After this, select Overlay option and add the bike clip to the capt and add keyframe and select Mask tool. Then select Horizontal. Next, select Rotate and adjust into 90 degree. Then select Position. Then adjust x-axis to -999 degree and select Feather and adjust up to 15, then More to the end of the clip and add keyframe, then select Mask option, then select Feather, adjust up to 15 and select Position x-axis to up to 990 degree, then select Up arrow button at right side top corner. Then video is saved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.